Okay, so this is kind of like an unboxing, but just a titch different. So I wanted to share with you this fabulous, 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 fabulous bag, and that you're just gonna absolutely love. You can't see the texture of it from here, but it's that kind that's sort of indestructible. It's not quite pebbled, but it's got a texture to it that's going to give it unbelievable durability. It's not heavy, it's light. You can see the inside pockets, how many glorious ones there are, and places to snap your little folder thing closed, as well as zipper on one side and in the center. And then you've got, of course, the over-the-shoulder bag to help it when you've got it loaded up. And then you've got the back pocket that has all the places that you can stick pins, wallets, whatever you want, passports, whatever you're doing. Love, love, love this bag. And to semi-unbox, here's the black version of it. And just stunning, incredible, and just stunning, stunning bag.